Hi everyone, good morning. So now question number 3. If he want from you to evaluate also the double integral, evaluate of double integral from 0 to 2, from 3 to 5 of x to the power 2 minus square root of y, okay, dx dy. Because here we have a function of x square and square root. First we have to call the function. We call the function f is equal to at the rate of x, y. Now here a function is x to the power 2. So we will say that x to the power dot, we have to add dot to the power 2 plus, minus square root. The shortcut is sqrt, square root of y. So you have to add dot because it is to the power. And also if you have any function, like for example 2 function, it is square root and power, you have to add the dot even though if it is multiplication. So now we will find the double integral of f, comma, now x it will be from 3 to 5 and y it will be from 0 to 2. So let's write it on the MATLAB. F is equal to at the rate of x comma y. We have x dot to the power 2 minus sqrt of y, okay, enter. Then we have double integral cubed of what? Of f 3 and 5, f 3 comma 5, 0 comma 2, 2, enter. So we get this value. Now if you have another question, let we say that we have another question. We have a double integral from 0 to 1 and from 8 to 11 of x to the power x plus 8 y multiply by 2 minus 3y, or 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y dy dx. So first we have to call the function. We call this as a function of f. So we say that f is equal to at the rate of xy, comma, xy. Now we will write this function x plus 8, because we have many functions, so we will add dot multiply by y, okay, here we have the dot multiply by 2x, okay, minus 3 multiply by y. So we have added the multiplication, but because we have many multiplications, so we add dot multiply. Okay, then we say that double integral dBl cubed of f. Now here x, y, so minimum of x it will be from 0 to 1 and y it will be from 8 to 11. So we write it in a MATLAB. F is equal to at the rate of x comma y. The first bracket we have x plus 8y. So bracket x plus 8 dot multiplied by y, okay, dot multiply by, for the second bracket it will be 2x minus 3y, 2x 2x minus 3y. Okay, enter. So we have to add the multiplication, dot multiplication. Now double integral dBl cubed of f. So if you ask me why we add dot, if it is complicated, and it is more complicated, there is many signs of the multiplication, because the MATLAB will not understand in the multiplication, so it need to add the dot to let the function to be stopped. Okay, now from f comma 0 to 1 and from 8 to 11, enter. So we'll get this value. And also if it is division, we will write dot division. Let we have an example. If you have another question, he wants from you to find the double integral from 5 to 3 and minus 2, from 5 to, not 3, let's be 8, and minus 2 till 0 of the function, because 0 it will not be, okay, from, let's not say minus 5, from 1 to 2, of what? Of ln, okay, ln of 2x plus 3y dx dy. So here we have to call the function. This will be the function, and here we have many function. It will be ln, and here we have a addition of two function. So we'll say that f is equal to at the rate of x, y. ln, the shortcut, it will be log of what? Log of 2 dot multiply x plus 3 dot multiply by y, enter. Then we have to find the double integral dBl cubed of f comma, for x it will be from 1 to 2, and from y it will be from 5 to 8. So between here there is no space, only the space here. So we will write it in MATLAB. If you want to clean this one, we will write CLC to clean it. So we have f is equal to at the rate of x comma y, okay, log, because we have ln, log of 2 multiply by x plus 3 multiply by y, enter. Then we have to say that double integral dbl cubed of f, comma, x it will be from 1 to 2 and y it will be from 5 to 8. Enter. So the answer it will be 93193. So be careful about it. If you don't add the dot, you will not get the answer. You will get some error. So better to add dot. This dot we add it if there is a multiplication. Okay, if there is a multiplication, we add the dot at the beginning. And also if there is a division, like for example here we have a numbers, so we add dot divide. And if you have to the power, for example y to the power 2, we say that dot to the power 2. So be careful on it. Now the shortcut, like for example if you have ln, it will be log. If you have square root, it will be sqrt. For sine and cosine, it will be the same. Sine x, bracket x. Cosine, tan, it will be all the same. Multiplication, this one for multiplication, this one it will be for division, divide. And this one it will be for power. How you will get a power? By shift 6. Power shift 6. All the best.